Setup and teardown options can be provided at different levels. Let's first look at the suite level. Function annotated with the before suite annotation will be run once before any of the tests in the test suite. This can be used for initializing the test suite level prerequisites. The after suite annotation will be run once after all the tests in the test suite are run. This can be used for cleaning up purposes. If we consider the group level, there are before groups and after groups annotations that can be used to specify setup and teardown instructions for groups. The before groups annotated function will run before any of the tests belonging to the specified groups run. Likewise, there's an after groups annotation as well, which is executed after all the tests belonging to the groups are executed. There are setup and teardown options available for each test case level as well. In the test config annotation, there are attributes to specify before and after functions to be executed for a particular test function. Ballerina test framework also supports each test case level setup and teardown instructions. Let's look at an example to demonstrate this behavior. We have a pet store application with few test cases. Let's say we need to print the content of the pet inventory before running each test case. For this, we can use the before each annotated functions. So these will run for each test case, before each test case. We'll update the existing pet store service to have a resource function to return all the pet details. Then let's use it to print the pet details. Now let's execute these test cases and observe the behavior. You can notice that the pet details are printed before each test case. Likewise, there's a after each annotation as well. So we looked at how to provide setup and teardown instructions at various levels with the Ballerina test framework.